All right, let's unbox my new Ray-Ban Metas. See if I can pull this little tab off, open this up. Try and do it carefully since I'm only using one hand. There we go. Listen, call, live stream. That's pretty cool. All right. Boom. There it is right there. In the case, let's see, there's something inside this part right here. Let's pull the case out and see what else is here. Looks like this might just be kind of a fabric case or a cleaning rag. Let's see if I can get this out real quick. I use my second hand for just a second. It was just the manual, and then something about getting prescription lenses. There's the warranty and all that. Let's open up the case and see my glasses right in here. They're in there pretty good. Let's see if I can kind of get them out. Don't want to hurt them using one hand. There we go. Ray-Ban Metas. Let's check it out and see what we can figure out with these. All right, real quick, here's the Ray-Ban getting started little manual thing. You're supposed to scan this. It will bring you to a link so you can download the app for the glasses. Then you're gonna pull out the little plastic tab that was inside right there on the nose piece. You will charge your glasses with USB-C. Mine, when I turned them on, put them on my face, it said that they were at 77% charge, so I just went ahead and went with that. But let me show you what the app and everything looks like real quick. Here's my new Meta glasses. You've got button up here and then on the side for controlling the camera and also volume for speakers and things like that. So these are pretty cool and they fit really comfortably. And yeah, I'm kind of excited to use these. What do you think? Well, let's get our first video from these Ray-Ban Metas. This is my view walking out to the back of the property here. Let's go see Applejack. See what she's thinking. Hey girl. Are you gonna run away from me? I don't have any treats for you, huh? Well, you're not sure? You wanna come see? What's OJ doing? You better watch out, OJ. You're gonna get stepped on. Let's walk over here. Oh, good. Tree's coming back. Loud ducks. Let's go look down in the creek. That's where the ducks wish they were. Pretty quiet down there right now. Not much water. Don't really see anything on the other side. All right, I think that's good. All right, let's get a video going from the barn up to the shop. What do you think, Applejack? Looks like I need to put the lawnmower away. It's just sitting out. I'll get that in a little bit. I don't feel like doing it right now. Let's open up the shop. Got our bunnies and ducks in here, or ducks, chicks in here right now. Not much going on. Except for trying to get this transmission right there in the Mustang. That thing is being a pain. Having a lot of clearance issues for some reason. Got it out just fine. Getting it back in, not as easy. Well, yeah, here's a quick tour of the shop. I'm just coming in here to check and make sure everybody's doing okay. This is about time to clean everything up for the day. Rachel's garden's taking shape here. Look at how much rain we got. That's like 2 inches, 4 inches there. Pretty crazy. But she's gonna get this all going, get a lot of vegetables and even some fruit and stuff that she's going to plant. And then we got some peppers. Yeah, pretty exciting. All right, let's call it a day. You guys take it easy.